Hi YouTubers, uh, today I want to show you how to clean the filter of indset washing machine. Before you start, make sure you isolated your machine from the main part. So once you tip it to a wall, you see this panel here. There are 3 slots, 1, 2, and 3. So use a screwdriver. You can just open the panel. You can undo the filter from outside by, first of all, put a piece of towel and water container. And then you can rotate this anti-clockwise. Undo the filter. This is the filter. You can see how dirty is the filter inside. So to drop the pump out, you need to remove 2 screws. Once the screw is removed, you turn the pump clockwise and take it out. So once the filter is clean and the pump is clean, we can put everything back. Put the pump and turn it anti-clockwise. Screws. Put the panel back in.